Alaska has always been one of the most popular cruising destinations for many, many years with many, many different cruise lines. So it only made sense for Virgin Voyages to venture into the Alaskan region. But we knew if we were going there that we had to do something a little bit different and to put our Virgin twist on it.
Being that it's a brand new destination, not only for us, but a brand new opportunity for our sailors to experience something brand new within the industry.
We had the pleasure of developing over 20 new happenings experiences that really lean into all of the pillars of what's expected in Alaska, but in an unexpected Virgin Voyages kind of way. I think sailing into a region like Alaska, we knew that we had to really accurately represent the nature and all of the wildlife and all of the beauty of the region, and we needed an expert there to do it. And what better route than to find a naturalist who lives in that region, who breathes that region, and has spent their whole lives really studying and embracing all of the things that Alaska nature has to offer.
I am the naturalist, which covers a lot of ground, really. Anything. I like to think of it as we've got this wonderful cast and all these wonderful people, and you take care of wildlife on the ship, and I take care of all the wildlife off the ship. Really looking forward to sharing, what knowledge and expertise I have with the sailors on board, because that's why I'm here.
The lumberjack on board is actually coming directly from Ketchikan and is part of the lumberjack experience that does take place in Ketchikan. So we have that unique opportunity to have them on board for the first few days of the voyage. And then for the sailors who do go take part in their show in Ketchikan, you'll get to actually see the lumberjack that was on board with you for those first few days, kind of live out there on stage in their show.
What we do at the show is a demonstration of a competition that the loggers would have in the older logging days in Ketchikan, and it's supposed to simulate a lot of the duties of loggers, and it's a very big part of Ketchikan's history.
We are also really excited to bring on our partners with Alaska Native Voices, who are going to be providing cultural heritage guides on each of the voyages to really speak to the insanely rich cultural heritage that the region has.
We're all artists, we're all linguists, we're all people who spent, better part of a lifetime learning and honing our skill in our own art, in our culture. We want people to take away that from us. When they come here, I want them to know about our people, to know we exist and we're still here.
We've really started to see what our sailors love, and so we really looked at Alaska too as an opportunity to tap into those things that we know are tried and true and that our sailors are going to love, like our shot-for-shot experience, which is a mixology class. So we are rebranding this into a new experience called Northern Nightcaps, where you'll get to do this mixology class with our foodie and our onboard mixos to be able to learn about craft cocktails that are really uniquely Alaskan and how you can make them at home. We also know that people don't just love to drink, but they also love to eat and learn a lot more about the flavors that are in foods in the region. So we've partnered with our culinary team to develop a class with the foodie called Baking Alaska, where you'll get to learn about some fun sweet treats that really feature all of those flavors that really speak to Alaska. And I think people with the sweet tooth are really going to love being part of that class and taking away a little bit of that sweetness of Alaska.
Speaking of partnerships, we also have Ice Cold Couture. One of my favorites I'm really excited for. It's an opportunity for our partnerships between our shops as well as with the region in the Alaskan area.
We are adding so much more unique retail to the Alaskan region than we've done in any other region. And our retail partners have done such an amazing job curating actual pieces from local artisans in the area so that our sailors are going to be able to shop local while on board. An iconic part about being in the Happenings cast is being able to wear the red iconic boiler suit, which really has such a fun history of really showing love and homage to the whole cruise industry. From our artists to our foodies, they all have these really cool octopus tentacle patches that showcase what they are experts in. So why not give the same to our newfound experts in the Alaska region by giving them those same iconic patches?
Having the naturalist there, having the lumberjack there is something that we don't have on the rest of our fleet. It's just specifically for the Brilliant Lady for that region. So we have a couple of really cool things in store for our sailors, I believe.
Yeah.